In order for us to evaluate this summation by making use of the method of difference, we will first need to re-express the term that is within the summation. So for the term that is within the summation, it is given to us as 2 over r squared minus 1. There is no one term minus another term within the summation. So we want to try to make sure that we create that first before we attempt to apply the method of difference. So one good way for us to try to re-express this is to re-express it into its partial fraction. So for the denominator, let's try to rewrite this as r minus 1 times r plus 1, so that I can let this be equal to a over r minus 1 plus b over r plus 1 in its partial fraction form. So to find a, by making use of the cover-up rule, we will cover up the denominator for this term here, which is r minus 1, and I'll replace all the r here by the value of r that caused the denominator to be 0, which is 1. So it is going to be 2 over 1 plus 1. 2 over 1 plus 1. 2 over 2, this is equal to 1. And to find b, we will cover up r plus 1 and I'll replace all the r by minus 1. So it is going to be 2 over minus 1, which is minus 1. Therefore, we know that this 2 over r squared minus 1 can be re-expressed as 1 over r minus 1. Then b is minus 1, so minus 1 over r plus 1. And now we are ready to give it a try, to evaluate this summation by making use of the method of difference, okay? We are going to evaluate summation from r starting from 2 all the way until n of 2 over r squared minus 1. And this can be re-expressed into the summation from r is equal to 2 all the way until n of this 1 over r minus 1 minus 1 over r plus 1. So let's expand this. When r is equal to 2, we have a 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3. When r is equal to 3, we have a 1 over 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1 over 3 plus 1, this is 4. Then when r is equal to 3, this is going to be, when r is equal to 4, this is going to be 1 over 4 minus 1, so 3 minus 1 over 5. And we are seeing one set of cancellation, but we need a pattern, okay, in order for us to make use of the method of difference to evaluate this. So let's write down one more term, which is going to be when r is equal to 5. So that will be 1 over 4 minus away 1 over 6. So we see this, they are going to be cancelled. Let's try to verify this, okay? To verify this, we are seeing 3 rows giving me a cancellation that looks this way. So let me write down the last 3 rows. So for the last 3 rows, I will be letting n be, I'll be letting r be equal to n minus 2. So it is going to be 1 over n minus 3 minus 1 over n minus 1. Then letting r be equal to n minus 1. It is going to be 1 over n minus 2 minus 1 over n. And finally, letting r be equal to n. It is going to be 1 over n minus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. And we are seeing exactly the same pattern of cancellation, which can help us to then imagine that all the in-between terms here, they will disappear, leaving me with a 1 plus half. It is going to be 3 over 2. Then, oh, there's a minus 1 over n. So here it's not a plus, but here it should be a negative. So it will be a minus, this one, 1 over n. Then minus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, this is our answer for part A. Let's move on. Let's take a look at part B. Part B, we are supposed to evaluate the summation from r is equal to 11 all the way until 3n minus 1 of 2 over r plus 2. And in order for us to make use of the previous result to evaluate this, we are going to make use of what we have done on the Achevas TV, which is to replace r by r plus p. Okay, there's one process on the Achevas TV that talk about this. So we will try to replace all the r's here by, let's see, looking at this and trying to compare it to this, or maybe it's easier for me to compare it to this. Okay, so looking at this and compare it to this, I am going to replace all the r's here by r minus 1. Okay, so this is going to be r minus 1 is 11, and according to the rule that we have discussed on the Achevas TV, if we were to do a minus 1 here, it should be the opposite, which is going to be plus 1. So here we will have a 2 over, replacing r by r minus 1, we will have this, replacing r by r minus 1, we will have a r minus 1 plus 2. So here will be r minus 1 plus 2, r plus 1. And we are getting exactly the same as this. And I can also rewrite this as sum from r is equal to, bringing minus 1 over 12. Then this is going to be 3n. Then here we have a 2 over, this will be r squared minus 1. Okay, so now we are actually trying to evaluate something that is almost the same as this within the summation. But this and this, they are different. Okay, so again, we have a process that is on the Achevas TV. I'm going to make use of the process. In order for me to make use of the previous result here, to evaluate this, I'm going to break this up into summing from r starting from 2. My inspiration is from here, okay? So from 2 all the way until 3n of 2 over r squared minus 1 minus away sum from r is equal to 2 all the way until 11 of 2 over r squared minus 1. Because if I were to have terms that starts from r is equal to 2 all the way until 3n minus away 2 all the way until 11, I'll be left with r starting from 12 all the way until 3n. Okay, so I'm going to make use of now the previous result, which is this. I will replace all the n's here by 3n. So it's going to be 3 over 2 minus 1 over 3n minus 1 over 3n plus 1. That is going to be for this. Minus away this, I will replace all the n's by 11. So it is going to be 3 over 2 minus 1 over 11 minus 1 over 11 plus 1, so that is going to be 12. And evaluating this, we should be able to get our answer. It is going to be 23 over 132 minus 1 over 3n minus 1 over 3n plus 1.